Hi everyone, today in front of me I have TOSCIDO X109 tablet, and let me show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is you gotta go to the settings. Here, look for the apps and notifications category. At the apps and notifications menu, you gotta choose the default apps. Here, go for the browser app. And select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser. The second way to do that is to directly set it from the Opera application itself. So let's open the Opera. Here, tap on your avatar picture that is located right here, or it can be located at the bottom right corner if your device is in the portrait layout mode. Next, go to settings by clicking on the gear icon and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section. Next, click on it. Here, tap on the next button, select Opera as we did from the settings, and choose to set it as default. And that will also mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!